down.
Black little tiny bugs, huh?
Yeah.
Are they baby ants, maybe?
No, they don't look like ants.
No?
They look like roundish. More round.
Oh, yeah.
What kind of bugs are those?
What are they? I don't know.
It's not my fault. They must like water.
It's
not my fault.
No, it's not your fault.
They must like water.
What's not?
Grandpa's fault.
Oh, it's Grandpa's fault. What's not your fault?
Grandpa's fault.
Oh, it's Grandpa's fault,
What's
huh?
not her fault?
I don't know what she's talking about.
I wish I could.
It's Grandpa's fault there's no water coming out?
I wish I could play with it. Changing it. Play with it. Rufus, come here. Rufus, come here. Rufus, come here.
Rufus, come here. Come here. Come here, Rufus. Okay, Rufus.
Okay, now you can get Rufus.
Alyssa, point at it. Look up, Rufus.
Look up.
Okay, look up.
You need help?
Can Tyler help?
Yeah, Tyler can help. Ready? Go.
Squirt.
Squirt him. There you go.
Yeah.
You got Rufus.
You got him.
You got him.
Yep,
Now we
you
say,
got
go
him.
Rufus, go.
Go, Rufus, go. Go, Rufus, go.
Go Rufus, go.
Go, Rufus, go.
Put down the hose.
That one got me square out in the face.
Wish I would have had that on video.
Mommy.
It's funny.
It was.
Mommy, it's just I want to play with them.
No, we're not going to play with the hose. It's a waste of
No.
water to do that.
Yeah. Plus,
Wait.
so if it was hot out, maybe, but it's not hot out yet. In the middle of summer and it's nice and hot,
Squirt!
then it'd be fun to have the cool hose.
Squirt!
Yeah.
Alyssa.
But you don't want to get too wet.
Oh, goodness.
Whoa! Squirting!
Okay, let's get up. Here, put this down. Let's go out here in the yard. Come on.
Hey, I squirted.
Say go. Come on, Alyssa.
Put it away.
Come on, honey.
No, Dad, Mommy.
What?
Mommy.
Someone's sleepy.
No, Grandpa, put the hose away.
Oh, Rufus, go. Whoa!
Grandpa, put the hose
There's
away.
a second there.
Yeah.
That's it for the hose.
Oh, boy. Someone's sleepy. Should we go take a little rest time?